Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to install a headlight in the Titan, but it's the same as the Armada. Here's the easy way. This is the driver's side. My driver's side low beam went out. There's a screw right there, and you can just pop that down, kind of pull it down, and you can see up in there. Let's see if this makes it easy for you guys. Give me a like if you think it's easy to understand and everything, quick. You can reach, see it right there, that's the low beam. You just twist it. Let's see. You just twist it like counterclockwise. You don't want to touch the bulb. And there it is, and then you can just unplug it. It's like an L shape, and that's a 2006. Then you just put it back in, match it up, and turn it clockwise. So let's do that. And you don't want to touch the bulb, because if you get oils on there, it screws it up. Okay. And then you just pop this back, just like that. All right, give me a like if that helps, so you can find it later.